Welcome. If you want to use Snapchat's features that rely on connecting with nearby devices like finding friends close by or sharing content seamlessly, you'll need to make sure nearby device access is enabled for the Snapchat app. Here's a quick and updated guide to help you set it up in just a few easy steps. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is the gear-shaped icon you'll usually find on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on it to view the list of all your installed applications. Next, look through the list and find Snapchat. You can scroll manually or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you spot Snapchat, tap on it to open its app info page. Now, look for the section called Permissions. Tap on Permissions to see all the different types of access Snapchat can request, such as your camera, microphone, location, and more. Here, you'll want to find the option labeled Nearby Devices or something similar, depending on your phone's software version. Tap on Nearby Devices. You'll see a few choices like Allow or Don't Allow. Select Allow to give Snapchat permission to access nearby devices. This lets Snapchat discover and connect with devices around you, which is essential for features like finding nearby friends or using certain sharing options. After you've enabled this permission, you can exit your settings. Open Snapchat and you'll be ready to use all the features that rely on connecting with nearby devices. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these same steps and adjust the permission as needed. Managing your app permissions is a great way to keep control over your privacy while still enjoying everything Snapchat has to offer. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tips for getting the most out of your favorite apps.